we are going to make spicy sprout cupcakes. Yes, savory cupcakes. For that we need 1 cup sprouts, sprouts of green gram, whole green gram, 3 chilies, 1 inch of ginger. The first step is to grind all these things together. Ginger, chilies, sprouts. Chilies you can adjust according to your taste. If you want less, you can add less. If you want more, if you eat very spicy, you can add more chilies to it. We'll grind this to a fine paste. It's evenly grinded, you can see. At this point, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of curd to it. We can add taste to it as well as make it a little fluffy also. Make our cupcakes a little fluffy. So we'll just give it one more grind. This is our mixture ready now. I just added 1 tablespoon of water while grinding it. So this is the kind of texture we look for. So if it is too thin, it will become very soggy. If it is too thick, it will become very tough. So make sure it is nice, fluffy paste. Time to add some spices to it. First of all goes in the salt as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, half a tablespoon of capsicum, 1 tablespoon onion, tomato, half a teaspoon. Give it a good mix. Let it stand for 10 minutes so that it gets all the flavors together. So let's keep it for 10 minutes. And batter has been standing for 10 minutes. So we will try 2 types of cupcakes from this. One with without ENO and one with ENO. Transfer some of the mixture, 1 tablespoon of the mixture to the another bowl and add a little bit of ENO to it, 2 to 3 pinches, and give it a good stir. So we are going to transfer this mixture to the molds, cupcake molds, and not fill it till to the top, just fill half of it and one from this bowl where we haven't added the so 2 cupcakes without ENO and 2 cupcakes with ENO. So let's garnish it with some sesame seeds, all the 4 cupcakes. If you're trying to avoid carbs, this is a very good recipe for you. No oil, no carbs, a lot of protein. Sprout is loaded with the proteins. Yeah. So this is some chili flakes. Let's add color as well as taste to the cupcakes. A slice of capsicum on top of it. They look nice right now. Let's microwave them for approximately 1.5 minutes on high. Don't worry if you don't have cupcake molds, you can make these spicy cupcakes in this kind of bowl, yes, which are microwave safe. I have already smeared it with some oil and now I'm going to add the cupcake batter to it. I'm going to mix both the batters here because Yes, we'll put it in the microwave for again 1.5 minutes, and before that we'll just tap it a little. Yes, the cupcakes are ready within 1.5 minutes. See, these are the one without Eno, so they are a little less spongy, but as good as the Eno ones to eat. They're coming out so well. Let them stand for a while, otherwise they'll be a little soggy to eat. And see, I'm removing both. The ones that I had added Eno to, they have come out a little fluffier. How nicely they're coming out. See? The one that we had made in a small bowl has also come out very well. See how it is coming out on its own. Yes, see, so easily it is coming out. Nicely cooked. Just keep it for a while. Don't eat it immediately. Let it rest for 5 minutes and then eat it. So all our spicy cupcakes ready, and they are amazingly tasty, very healthy, very easy to make, and very less time consuming, and they're loaded with protein. So do try them, and if you like my video, please share it, like it, and definitely subscribe. Let me show you one, break it and show you how nicely it is coming. See the texture here? Here. It's nice, fluffy, soft. Very good texture, gives a good bite. Enjoy.